This is your dipstick for checking the engine oil level. Let me show you how to do that. Before you do that, ensure that the car is parked on a level surface and not on an incline or a slope. Pull out the dipstick from the slot and keep a tissue ready. Clean the dipstick, insert it back once again, pull it out and check the level. You can see two dots here, and your engine oil level must always be within these dots. If your engine oil level drops low, please ensure that you top it up using the recommended grade and put it back.